Popularity and demand. Python remains one of the most popular programming languages, consistently ranked at the top in various programming language indices like the TIAB Index and Stack Overflow surveys. Its popularity is driven by its simplicity and versatility. Ease of learning. Python's syntax is designed to be readable and straightforward, making it a great language for beginners. It allows newcomers to focus on learning programming concepts without getting bogged down by complex syntax. Rich ecosystem and libraries. Python has a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks for various applications, from data science and machine learning to web development and automation. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Piturk, Django, and Flask are widely used. Career opportunities. Python skills are in high demand across various industries, including technology, finance, healthcare, education, and entertainment. Python is used in data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, web development, and more, providing a wide range of career opportunities. Community and resources. The Python community is large and supportive, offering a wealth of resources for learning and problem solving. Websites like Stack Overflow, GitHub, and various Python forums provide platforms for asking questions and sharing knowledge. Application diversity. Python is used in a diverse range of applications, from scripting and automation to building complex machine learning models. This flexibility means that learning Python can open doors to multiple career paths and projects. Evolve and ecosystem. The Python ecosystem continues to evolve, with new libraries and tools emerging to support modern programming paradigms. Staying up to date with the latest developments can be beneficial for career growth and keeping your skills relevant. Cross-platform and open source. Python is cross-platform, meaning you can use it on different operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. It is also open source, encouraging collaboration and community-driven development. Integration with other technologies. Python integrates well with other technologies and languages, making it suitable for complex projects that require interoperability. It's commonly used alongside technologies like Docker, Kubernetes, and cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. Challenges to consider. While Python is generally straightforward, there can be challenges. Performance limitations. In some scenarios may require optimization techniques or integration with lower-level languages like C or C++. Additionally, keeping up with the rapidly evolving ecosystem can be daunting, but continuous learning helps overcome this. Overall, learning Python in 2024 is a smart choice with many benefits, but it's important to approach it with a commitment to continuous learning and exploration of new tools and technologies.